Have you ever sent or received money on Venmo and noticed those little emojis popping up in the transaction description? Or scrolled through your feed and wondered what all the fuss was about? What if I told you that those seemingly simple emojis and that endless feed are actually powerful tools that can transform your Venmo experience from a mundane money transfer into something truly engaging, informative, and even entertaining? We all use Venmo for its primary purpose, sending and receiving money with ease. But how many of us are truly leveraging its social features, specifically the emojis and the public/friends feed, to their full potential? Most people probably just type in a quick description, hit send, and move on. But you're missing out on a whole layer of interaction, personalization, and even a bit of fun. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Venmo emojis and the Venmo feed. We're going to explore not just how to use them, but why they matter, and how you can use them to enhance your financial interactions, express yourself, and even stay connected with your friends in a unique way. Think about it. We live in a world saturated with digital communication, and emojis have become a universal language. They convey emotion, context, and personality in a way that plain text often can't. On Venmo, they do all that and more. They add a splash of color and character to your transactions, making them less transactional and more human. And the Venmo feed? It's not just a boring list of payments, it's a dynamic stream of your financial life, shared or not shared, depending on your privacy settings, with your network. It's a snapshot of who you're paying, what you're paying for, and sometimes, even a glimpse into the inside jokes and shared experiences that underpin those transactions. This isn't just about adding a smiley face or a pizza slice to your payment. It's about understanding the subtle nuances of emoji usage on Venmo, mastering your privacy settings to control your feed, and ultimately, making Venmo work harder and smarter for you. So, if you're ready to unlock the full potential of your Venmo app, stick around. We're about to transform you from a basic Venmo user into an emoji-savvy, feed-controlling master. Let's start with the stars of the show, Venmo emojis. When you're sending or requesting money, you have the option to add a description. This is where the magic happens. Instead of just typing dinner, imagine typing dinner pizza wineglass face with tears of joy. Immediately, that transaction becomes more vivid. It tells a story. It conveys not just what the money is for, but also the vibe of the interaction. The beauty of Venmo emojis lies in their versatility. You can use them to specify what a payment is for with incredible precision. For example, rent house with garden is clearer than just rent. Coffee hot beverage is more descriptive than coffee. Gas fuel pump or groceries shopping cart, you get the idea. This precision isn't just for fun, it's also practical. When you're scrolling through your past transactions, these little visual cues make it incredibly easy to identify what each payment was for at a glance. No more trying to decipher vague descriptions from months ago. Beyond pure description, emojis are fantastic for expressing emotion and adding personality. If you're sending money to a friend for a hilarious inside joke, a string of laughing emojis like face with tears of joy rolling on the floor laughing loudly crying face perfectly captures the essence of the payment. Sending a thank you. A simple folded hands or sparkling heart can add a touch of warmth. If you're spot checking a friend for a concert ticket, a musical notes, or a dancing woman dancing can express your excitement. The possibilities are endless, and the more you use them, the more natural it becomes to infuse your Venmo interactions with your unique personality. Now, let's talk strategy. While it might seem like a free-for-all, there are some unspoken rules and best practices when it comes to Venmo emojis. Firstly, context is key. While a string of silly emojis might be perfect for a payment to your best friend, it might be less appropriate for a more formal transaction, say, paying a service provider. Use your judgment. Secondly, don't overdo it. A few well-placed emojis are far more effective than a chaotic jumble of them. Think of them as seasoning, just enough to enhance the flavor, not overwhelm it. A really clever way to use emojis is to create a visual code with your friends. For example, if you and your roommates always use broom for cleaning supplies, or light bulb for the electricity bill, it creates a shorthand that makes managing shared expenses even easier. This level of personalized communication can turn even the most mundane payments into a shared experience. So, how do you actually add them? It's incredibly straightforward. When you're on the Pay and Request screen, after you've entered the recipient and the amount, simply tap into the What's It For field. Your keyboard's emoji button will be readily available, just like in any other messaging app. Scroll through, select your desired emojis, and watch your transaction description come to life. It's that simple, yet so many people overlook this powerful feature. Moving on to the Venmo feed. This is where the social aspect of Venmo truly shines, or in some cases, where it raises questions about privacy. The Venmo feed is essentially a public, or friends-only, stream of transactions. When you send or receive money, that transaction, along with its description and emojis, can appear on your feed and the feeds of your friends, depending on your privacy settings. Understanding your privacy settings is paramount when it comes to the Venmo feed. By default, many Venmo accounts are set to public, meaning anyone on Venmo can see your transactions, their descriptions, and the emojis you use. This can be a bit of a shock for new users who aren't aware. If you're uncomfortable with this, and many people are, it's incredibly easy to change. To adjust your privacy settings, open the Venmo app, tap on the Me tab, your profile icon, then the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. From there, navigate to Privacy. You'll see 3 options for your default privacy setting: Public, Friends, and Private. Public means everyone on Venmo can see your transactions. This is the broadest setting and offers the least privacy. While it can be fun to see what your friends are up to, it also means your financial activities are visible to a wide audience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.